Let's talk about if a boy should be trained standing up or sitting down for potty training. I recommend that a boy learn to potty train by sitting on the potty. This is important because he needs to become comfortable on the potty, because he will eventually have to sit on the potty to learn to poop in the potty. So it's important that your child be comfortable with sitting on the potty. Oftentimes dads will ask me, well, when is he gonna learn to stand and go pee in the potty? That's always dad's first concern. And it's okay if your son is sitting on the potty and learning to pee, because he will eventually learn to pee while standing up. Dad can teach him how to pee standing up, or other boys at school can teach him how to pee standing up. It's actually best if he learns to pee while sitting on the potty, and then once he's comfortable using the potty for both urine and bowel, then he can start to use the potty standing up. One of the reasons I suggest that your son sits on the potty while learning potty training is so that he's comfortable when it's time for him to learn to go poop in the potty. You don't want him to learn to stand up in the potty to use the potty and then not know how to sit on the potty once it's time to go poop. And you certainly don't want him to poop on the floor, because that's going to be a huge mess that everybody's going to have to clean up. Therefore, you should teach your child to sit on the potty while learning potty training.